This amusement park has been abandoned for a long time. I want to renovate it. Wow! Here you come, construction fleet. I can count on you for amusement park renovation.
No problem. You can count on us. I am the crane. Let's assemble the aquarium first. Let's secure the support first. The building of aquarium is completed. I am the crane. Let's install the new cabins for the Ferris wheel. Install the cabins on the Ferris wheel. Yeah! The installation of Ferris wheel is completed! I am the crane, and I will also be in charge of repairing broken roller coaster. Let's assemble the tracks first. The installation of roller coaster tracks is completed.
I am the bulldozer. Let me clean up the ground before inflating the castle. I am the lawn spreader. I'm good at laying lawn.
Next, let's inflate the castle. Swipe up to connect the pump with the castle. Tap the button to inflate the castle. The bouncy castle is ready. Yeah, the construction of the amusement park is completed.
I am quite satisfied with the renovated amusement park. Here's a badge for you as a reward.
Yahoo! Yay!
Little Panda's quiz. Let's check out how much you know. Which construction truck can lift objects high up into the air? Crane. Dump truck. Concrete mixer. You are right! Next question. Which construction truck can push soil into the pit? Crane. Bulldozer. Marking machine. You are right! Next question. Which construction truck has a large blade in front? Bulldozer. Crane. Road roller. That's not correct. That's not correct. You are right! You've got it all correct. Great!